Okay, so just engine warm up, ready for leaving, based on the bus deal of whatever it's called, in Calais. We've been there a couple of days, just really getting our act together in France, really trying to get the internet to work and finding out how to get the lifting bridges of the Canal de Calais raised. All the phone numbers we had in many books that we thought were all wrong, so it took our neighbours arriving yesterday for us to get the right number. So anyway, net result is we booked in 9 o'clock today, so we should be off, all being well. Okay, first bridge of the day is taking a long time. I don't know, I think it might be a problem with the bridge, but it is now action stations, barriers going down. I think we could be on our way. This could be a long day. 2 down. So far so good. Well, we were warned that the Canal de Calais was something you just had to get past. But looking at it, it's really quite pleasant. Once we got out of Calais itself, factories stopped, it's all turned into green fields and a lot of bird life and stuff. It's just, I think it's very pleasant, very nice and wide. We're cracking along at about 5 knots, which is unheard of on the KNA. Lock number 3, the only lock on the Canal de Calais. We've done 5 lifting bridges, I think, but I don't know where the 6th one went. Maybe that's ahead of us, I don't know, but what we were reading doesn't seem to be coming true. But anyway, here we are, our first inland lock, really. Just leaving Henouin here. We stole a cheeky night on the lock. The lock keeper said it was okay, so that's alright, and it's quite nice. There's a little restaurant in Henouin and stuff, even though it wasn't open on a Thursday. But hey, this is France. Coming out of the Canal de Calais now. It's the end of the Canal de Calais onto the River A. To starboard thrust to Saint-Amand, 16 kilometres. That was a big anticlimax. We're expecting massive barges come zooming down here from Dunkirk. The books say it's incredibly busy. But nothing. This is the end of the AA. Well, it's still the AA actually, but technically this is the Dunkirk Escrow Liaison, which is where the big boys come and play, like this barge here in front, which is massive and slightly scary, but luckily it ain't moving. And there's another boat up there called Armageddon. So there we go. I think Armageddon out of here. It's the first houseboat I've seen since I've got. It's not new. 2 houseboats in there. So this is the first. I don't know whether they're working boats, but I don't think they are. Oh yeah, no, that is definitely moving, that barge. Oh my god. I know what it's done, suck the water away from us. That is a big, big boat. First it sucks the water away, and then it sucks you in. Oh, that's different. Here is what passes for a turning around place in these canals. We've now seen the size of the boats and now I know why they're meant to be so big. On the K&A this would be an inland sea. Anyway, just up ahead past this railway bridge is Port Pleasance, where we want to stop. Just wanted to introduce you to Thunderbird 4. Which is the bike trolley. We've heard that there's an Intermarché in town that has a petrol station, so I'm going to go and get some diesel, make up for the channel crossing. 5. Full power. Right, see you in a minute.
Okay, see ya.
Ooh, look at him fit here. Oh. Starting out, just heading for River Lys today, hopefully. But this is our first big boy lock here. It's about a rise of about 9 metres, I think 8-9 metres. So we're slightly scared. I'm going to go for the 2 middle ladders, alright? You go for the next ladder ahead, right? Yeah, first ladder. Oh, that's not a ladder. Okay. Second one, yeah. Big booger. Yeah, we saw that coming and decided to shelter on the Quai de Commerce here. I just hope he's not pulling in, but wow, that's a big old bus. This is the Upton Park boat lift, 1887. Now a museum. But I saw it on the map, I was oh goody, we were going on a boat lift. I've never been on a boat lift, but unfortunately it's not working. We've got this dirty great big clues next door to it, which is even bigger than the last one, God help us. go down again. So that was a laugh, but wow, such a big lock.
Where are you going?
Busy for Sunday. So we managed to get hold of the lockkeeper on the lease, and it turns out, I think, from our bad translation, is that up till the 9th of May, journeys up this river are only by arrangement. So he's going to let us into the first couple of locks, I think, and then I think we have to then talk to somebody else, but we're not entirely certain. But anyway, we're in.